Introduction. Hello everyone, this is Team Syntech. We are introducing our innovative product in the project exhibition held by Dassault System. Here are some glimpses of our product, so let's start it. Problem: rising of fuel cost day by day and increase in pollution due to vehicles. The humans are finding an alternative methods for these problems. So bicycle was the most appropriate method to deal with such problems. But high level cycling in particular has been shown to have negative effects on bone strength. Solution: to overcome such difficulties, we came up with an innovative product, solar operated bicycle. This creative bicycle helps the rider to ride without any effort. It is powered with solar panel which drives it efficiently. Also, it is completely renewable source of energy with low maintenance cost. Product features: the locking system is a new concept which on or off the circuit of the bicycle, due to which the current flow start and stop with the help of a key. Another feature in this bicycle is the solar panels which are mounted on the carriage, which spreads up, due to which it creates a barrier to other people on road. To avoid this, the panels can be unhooked and mount vertically with ease in rush area. This bicycle have 3 alternate modes to drive. First, it can drive directly by solar energy. Second, you can charge the battery and ride it. Third, you can also manually pedal and ride the bicycle. Expected outcome: the motor power of 240 watts and the solar panel of 20 watt per panel gives an outcome of 30 km in each charge. The top speed of bicycle is 30 km per hour and the charging time is 6 hours. Solar bicycle is tested by charging the battery for different time interval and discharging time and distance traveled. Market size and opportunity: rise of fuel cost globally creates many opportunities to our product. With use of renewable source, customer can be attracted because of low price with multiple added feature like solar and grid charge facility. Thank you.